Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this type of pop-up. If you want to download or install apps and showing error verification, required tap continuous sign and viewing billing information. Okay guys, if you want to download free app or try to purchase app from App Store and showing an error, then you have to close this page and then you have to open settings. Okay guys, just simply tap on your Apple ID banner. Now guys, from here just simply tap on payment and shipping option. Okay guys, just simply tap on this and wait some second from here. Okay guys, this is because of you don't have enough money in your payment method, that's why it's showing this type of error. So you have to verify that you have given correct information here or you have enough money to purchase app. And if you are downloading free app and then showing this type of error, then you have to remove your payment method. Just simply tap on your payment method from here and just simply remove your payment method, and just simply you have to go to your billing address and make sure that you have given correct information here, and after that check whether your problem has been fixed or not. And if upon success there, then you have to open settings and just simply tap on your Apple ID banner, then tap on media and purchases, then tap on view account. Now from here again wait for a while and just simply tap on country origin. Now from here just simply wait some seconds because it's loading. Just simply tap on change country origin. Now select your country. Okay guys, just simply select your country name and then you have to read some terms and conditions. So if you are agree, just simply tap on agree and again tap on agree from here. Now from here just simply wait some second, and if you have any payment method just simply select your payment method. I am selecting at none, and here you have to put your billing address. So you have to update your billing address from here. Okay guys, so here you have to put the postcode of your city. If you don't know about the postcode, just simply search on Safari browser or another browser and just simply tap on next, and after that your billing address will be updated, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.